My goodness.
This would be easy to take off.
Did you look where the path started? Was it someplace very strange? Because I think the path, I think that path shows.
No, you left the string so I could see. And I got a new net.
Oh.
I always wanted one. The other one, that's not my favorite, really. It's too small. That one's just the right size. That's a big one. And
Wow.
now I got a bigger one. This thing could handle a lot of things.
You're right.
But I would get this in my playroom. The big stuff, yeah.
What's that little thing right there?
Let me see. What's it on his feet?
It's a nice toy. Nice toy.
Treat? Goodness gracious, look what I got. A treat. Yum yum.
Well, that looks tasty, doesn't it?
Yep. I think he got it from the craft store. Right, Mama? Because that's where we always see treats and I won't. And you don't let me really. Hey, this is silly. What is this? And this.
I think they're glow-in-the-dark moon rocks.
Then what is this?
They look like bracelets.
That?
They look like bracelets. Hey, cats do like string.
Morning, puppy.
What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, a ribbon wand.
That's cool.
Not for the kitty, but it looks like one. And oh, he's down here.
Go ahead, so you get the video.
The screen is blue.
Make sure to follow that string. Where does it go? Wait, oh, right here, lift. Look at lift. You follow that string.
Hey.
Dog, you better watch out. Oh, it goes. Look, it goes all the way over there. Okay, you don't care. All right, good.
Again.
Oh.
From last year.
Whoa, he just left those right there, huh?
Of course he did.
That's so cool.
I feel like going to have those for breakfast. What else is there? I think that's it of the stream.
Wow,
That's great.
Thank you, St. Patrick.
You mean Patrick?
Yeah, Thank you, huh?